I'm here at the museum campus in Chicago. There's the Field Museum, which I have a video for, as you can see, but now I'm gonna go this way, down towards the Adler Planetarium. Here, if you can see through there, there is Soldier Field. It's where the Bears play right now. Probably not for long, they're probably moving to Arlington Heights. Along my walk here, there is the Shed Aquarium. Haven't been there in a long time, but probably do another video for there soon. It's a great place. Still walking towards the Adler Planetarium. There's another view of the Shed Aquarium, probably a better view. Now this walk here from the Field Museum to the Adler Planetarium is about a half a mile. So you can get dropped off in front of it, the Adler, or you can do a walk like I'm doing. Another view of the Adler here. And up here on the right is where I'm going to be turning and going towards the Adler Planetarium. Now the Adler Planetarium is actually the first planetarium in the northern hemisphere. So it's built in 1930, I believe. Shed Aquarium around the same time. And the Field Museum there, 1921. Field Museum is my favorite one. Here we go. About to go this way. And you'll see this. Just down there is the Adler Planetarium. See it right there. That's where we're headed. Keep going down. Remember parking over here as a kid when my grandfather took me here. And there's a statue, Kosciuszko, who was in the Revolutionary War. And up here on the right are a bunch of boats. Some very nice ones too. Look at all those. This one right here looks really nice. And then there's this one right here. All right, over here along the way, this building right here is the McCormick Center. Actually, a long time ago it burned down in a fire and they rebuilt it. They have a lot of conventions there. I've only been there once. Almost there. Right here, I want to show you there's also some parking here. This was not here when I was a kid. Remember, you only could park on the street here. Maybe some other places, but this was not here, which is good because this place gets pretty busy. I'm getting here when it opens. Here's a different view of Soldier Field. You can see there's the old part there with the obelisks and the new part they added, which a lot of people didn't like. Anyway, they'll be out of there in a few years, I believe. Here's this parking lot I was talking about. There's the lakefront. You can go over there. Great place to be during the summer or late spring. All right, I went across here into the middle. And if I'm not mistaken, right here, where it's got the lock and everything here, and a little cage, this is where you used to be able to get in to the planetarium. You used to walk underground and go all the way through here, and then it would eventually connect up with the rest of the museum. And then even earlier before that, this used to be a think it was a fountain. So I also remember these steps here. When I was a kid, I hurt my knee. So I remember going here and being in pain for a lot of the day. I was probably about 5 years old. So, but yeah, underneath us would have been the area to get to the theater. There was a theater, like a movie theater, with that type of screen. And then you would walk up into the dome, which is the oldest part of this place. So I'm gonna go in now and grab at least one sky show and look around and yeah, see what's new. It's been about 5 years. All right, here's another view here of the aquarium here. Nice view of Chicago too. There's the Willis Tower, which I still call the Sears Tower. But yeah, if you come to this museum campus area, you can just walk around and see a lot of different things. There's the planetarium behind me. Someone with a nice yacht. Here, there's actually a walkway down here you can go. See the water splashing against the side there. Yeah, lots of people sailing today. Perfect day for it. I brought my coat with me. That was a mistake. I've been carrying it the whole time. Yeah, even could have wore shorts today. But look at all that stuff. There's Navy Pier again. Built in 1916. Up until I believe it was the 90s. It was kind of a place where people didn't go, but after the 90s they redid it and it's become a real big hot spot. Here's the Dome Observatory, which was in my planetarium video. Maybe I'm going closer here with this area here. Oh, there it is. This area over here where people can fish. Never been down there, but there's quite a few places in Chicago like that. Checking out this area here. There's actually a beach over there too. Bunch of geese. But yeah, I never actually really noticed this beach before, so I've never been down this specific part. Looks like it could be pretty old, the building there. This building right here. Yeah, but it's really hot outside. It's probably packed here. All right, I'm on my way out of here. I'm gonna go back to where the Field Museum is, and I'm gonna catch a lift and then go to the train station. But yeah, this is definitely a great place to go in the spring or summer. The winter will be a little cold, but the museums are definitely worth checking out. And even if you don't want to go to them, just walk around. So if you like my video, please click the like button, and then sub if you want, and make a comment.